Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to explain where to find your Incognito download on Android. So make it sure to watch this until the end because there is something important you need to know about your private browsing. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you download something while using incognito mode like in Chrome, Firefox or other browser, the download is all saved to your phone. Incognito only hides browsing history. It doesn't hide or erase download. So open your phone file manager, tap on download or internal storage and download. All files even from incognito save here by default. So if you were using Chrome, open Chrome and tap the three dots and download. Even if you use incognito, the file stays saved on your device. Only the browsing trails disappear. So, got it? So that's it. Now you know where to find your incognito download on Android. They're never truly hidden unless you delete them. Thanks for watching and see you next time.